Hello everyone. Today here we have a JEE question on vector algebra. Let us see. Let A be a vector given by 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Vector B is 7i plus j minus 6k. If R cross A vector is equal to R cross B and R dot, one more vector is given, is equals to minus 3, then what is the value of R dot this given vector? Correct? So they are saying R is one vector. When you multiply that vector with this vector, dot product gives you minus 3. Similarly, if I multiply that R vector with this vector, what should be the dot product? Now we know how to find the dot product. We have to multiply the scalar components component wise. Correct? Fine. But in order to find that, I need to know what is vector R. So from this, let us try to find vector R, what all is given. Now A is given, B is given, one relation is given. What is that? Cross product of vector R and A is equal to R cross B. Now from this, what I can write here is R cross A minus R cross B is equals to 0. Is this correct? Now by the properties of vector product, by the properties of cross product, I know that I can write this as vector A minus B equals to 0, because cross product property says this will be R cross A minus R cross B. Okay. Now see here, what this statement is telling you, that the the cross product of two vectors. Which are those two vectors? One is R, one more is A minus B, because this is again a vector. Their cross product is 0. Okay. Now when do you say that the cross product is 0? How cross product is defined? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta into n cap. If theta equals to 0, okay, if theta equals to 0, then sine theta is 0. In that case, A cross B equals to 0. What is the meaning that theta equals to 0? That is, the angle between two vectors is 0, means the vectors are parallel. Correct? When two vectors are parallel, then the angle between them is 0. So if cross product is 0, these two vectors are parallel. If I know that if two vectors are parallel, then they will be proportional. Correct? So I can write this as vector R equals to lambda into vector A minus B, because we got to know that cross product is 0, hence they are parallel. If the vectors are parallel, they are proportional. Okay, fine. So let this R be as it is, lambda be as it is. We know vector A and B. So can we find the difference between them? Yes, very easily. Again, component wise. So 2i minus 7i is minus 5i. Next, minus 3i minus 3j minus j is minus 4j. Now 4k, minus of minus becomes plus. So this becomes 10k. Okay, fine. So somewhere we are getting the value of R. What is the value of R? We got lambda into this vector. Okay. Now let us use the next information. What next information they are telling? The dot product of these vectors is minus 3. Okay. Now from this we will use, from equation 1, R value we will use. Okay. So R vector we have got, and they are telling the dot product is minus 3. Yes. So from this R I can write as what? Lambda into minus 5i minus 4j plus 10k dot, they have given this as I plus 2j plus k equals to minus 3. They are telling. Okay, fine. Anyhow, lambda is a constant. It's a scalar. Let us find the scalar product here. Again, dot product is component wise we have to take. So minus 5 into 1 is minus 5, plus minus 4 into 2 will become minus 8, plus this is 10, which is equals to minus 3. Now this is minus 13 plus 10, which is minus 3. So what is the value of lambda I'll get here? The value of lambda I'll get as 1. Now once we got the value of lambda, from equation 1, I can get to know what is the value of R. Therefore, from equation 1, R equals to, anyhow lambda is 1 only. So this remains as minus 5i minus 4j plus 10k. So now once we have R, we can find the dot product that is being asked. Therefore, the question goes as R dot 5i minus 4j plus 10k dot, and they have given this as what? 2i minus 3j plus k. Can we find the dot product? Yes, very easily. Again, component wise scalars we have to multiply. So 1 by 1, minus 5 into 2 is minus 10 plus minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12 plus 10 into 1 is 10. So plus 10 minus 10 cancels. What is the dot product of these two vectors? 12, which is option C. Thank you.